Hey guys, Jake Breen here with Team Utah Cribs at Berkshire Hathaway Utah Properties. Are you looking to buy any real estate on the Wasatch Front or in Salt Lake County where we specialize right now? Are you having any difficulties? Almost every buyer we talk to these days is getting frustrated with multiple offers or not having time to think and the speed of the market, or searching online and finding out by the time they've liked a property, it's already sold. And yes, it's true. For the first time ever in my 20-year career, we are seeing a lot of properties that are being sold cash to out-of-state buyers. We give you data specifics on that, but here's the deal. If you're struggling, come to us. We have really out-of-the-box options. In fact, our most recent popular option that we've already used with a few clients, and I know this sounds crazy, but is us infusing you with cash so that you can make a cash offer on the next home you're gonna buy. Wait, say that again. Yes, we have sourced money where we can infuse you with cash so that you can make cash quick close offers so that you can make just as strong of an offer as the competition. And with our expertise, we can make those offers even better and even quicker. There's a lot of little tricks to the trade. It's a jungle out there. And if you're searching on your own and thinking you'll be able to find a diamond in the rough and tie up a property, you've probably realized by now and had enough struggles that that ain't gonna happen. Let us support you. Let us bring you education and data and specifics with cash so that we can help you make the strongest offer possible and you don't miss out on this market's appreciation.